How does a CNC machining factory choose the CNC machining process and reduce cost by 40%? Recently, a customer said that the cost of CNC machining is too high. In fact, this can be solved by changing the CNC machining process. For example, regarding this product, we choose extrusion and CNC machining, which can not only reduce material costs, but also reduce machining time. But it requires MOQ and there are restrictions on materials and structure. For example, regarding this product, we choose die casting and CNC machining, so the cost will be at least 40% cheaper than CNC machining, but it requires a certain quality and accuracy is relatively low, and the surface is rough and has sand holes. For example, regarding this product, we choose cold forging and CNC machining, which is precise and durable. It can make parts with complex shapes with no cost, but it is not suitable for small batch because it has high requirements on the raw materials and has surface roughness. Do you have any better suggestions for choosing different CNC machining process for the above CNC machining parts with different structure? That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message.